Hello and welcome to C-Space, where process management and collaboration are available through the cloud. Over the next 3 minutes, I will demonstrate C-Space's cloud-based distinguishing technologies, which are remote 3D visualization of static images and animation, collaboration, both asynchronous and synchronous, and process documentation. These capabilities are helping companies achieve better alignment between their design, prototyping, and manufacturing processes, which in turn reduces time to market and eliminates expensive redesign time and prototyping and manufacturing costs. Items of interest in this regard are product and model sharing, that is one instance accessible from multiple user accounts, simultaneous 3D visualization, annotation, and review of CAD models or simulation results. Now this can occur from distributed geographies since we are not tethered to local hardware. Archiving of project notes, perhaps after a cross-team or cross-organization meeting, and assigning tasks to multiple users within the company, all through our browser-based process management and collaboration platform. You will note that throughout this entire demonstration, I will never have to leave the internet browser. No plugins are required. We are leveraging cloud infrastructure in Europe while I'm sitting in New York accessing the platform via a wireless internet connection. Here we take our first look at C-Space. I have a project open in this tab and there is a full end-to-end workflow that an analyst has already completed. I can view multiple windows at once and full screen any window at any time. Let's say for the purpose of this demonstration that this analyst has been asked by a project engineer to review the results. The analyst can go to the dashboard which organizes models, projects, and tasks and share this project with the engineer. This is done with a few simple mouse clicks. I select the engineer from the list of users within my company, and now when they log in, they will have access to this entire project. I'm bringing up a second browser now with the engineer's account, and I can see the new project is in his list. In the Collaboration tab, I can see the full list of users in my company. The users that are online are highlighted in blue. The analyst can now start a conversation with the project engineer. The engineer gets an alert that a new conversation has started, and he can chat back. The analyst can also share the model he is working on. When the engineer clicks on the link, the model opens. When the analyst rotates the model, it rotates on the engineer's screen. I can collaborate with more than one model at a time. I will also share the results now. Say the engineer sees something that he doesn't like. He can ask for control of the collaboration session. By the way, collaboration isn't limited to two people, as many people can collaborate in one session as you'd like. He can zoom into the area that he wants and perhaps draw and add some text on screen using the annotation tools. This really helps relate his ideas. To document this discussion, he can go to the node and create a note. In the note, he can give it a title, text, and even a model reference, which stores the exact view and all annotations for the lifetime of the project. It can be pulled up at any time. Now they both leave the collaboration session and the analyst can log out. Say the engineer now wants to tell the CAD designer what changes need to be made. This can be done even if the designer doesn't have a CSpace account. The engineer can go to the node and click Share. Any email address can be given. In this case, I'm using a Gmail account which I created for this purpose. I can give it a note, adjust the expiration window, and press Send. A link is now emailed to the designer. I see the email has just popped up. I see the note and click on the link, and I'm directed to CSpace, and I have to create a password if I haven't already. In this case, I did earlier. I see the node that has been shared. I can double click on it and take a look at what needs to be changed. Once the designer finishes the changes and updates the model, the engineer can go back to the project, create a task for the analyst, and tell them to remesh and rerun the analysis. I will now log back in as the analyst, and I can see that there is a new alert given to me that I have been assigned a task. I can also see this in the dashboard under Tasks. If I click on the link, the project will open up. I click on the node with the colored circle icon denoting a new task, and I can see the details of what has been assigned to me. I can also go to the node where the note has been stored. If I click on the model reference, it will pull up the model with all annotations that were written on screen. Thank you for taking the time to learn about CSpace's process management and collaboration capabilities. If you have any questions, please visit our website at www.cspace.com.